Because with mining industry that was on decline, tourism has become the mainstream of Goan economy. With 16.44 GDP share, tourism is booming in Goa, but it is also noticed that large part of the revenue is not being collected by the government due to the presence of unregistered entities operating various services in this sector. A joint question was to know what is the extent of unregistered tourism activities in the last 5 years. What action has been taken to minimize this? As per the answer, Honorable Minister has provided a 155 pages report prepared by KPMG, consultant in 2020, on coping with COVID, survival and revival of Goan tourism industry. Because this report is actually to study how COVID affected the tourism industry of Goa starting in April 2020. Notwithstanding with that, the report says that high percentage of 43% of business in tourism in Goa is unregistered.
Online platforms have been the mainstay of booking hotels now. आता unfortunately कितें जालें इतली वर्सां online जे OTAs asat, they themselves were not registered with the department. And ते जेन्ना registered ना, तांच्या under हॉटेलां कितली registered आसा आनी कितली registered ना, जो धंदो करता, होय प्रश्न आशिल्लो. आमी जेलाक दिलो टास्क आनी ताका सांगलें एवरी वीक 7 डेजान तुम्ही मिनिमम 25 नॉर्थ 25 साउथ आयडेंटिफाय करून आमकां दाखोवची म्हणून. Where they were supposed to go to online platforms, check the hotels and submit to us the report of how many people have been illegal, how many people have been legal. In the same time, Speaker sir, आमी online जे OTA platforms म्हणटा तातून Ibibo Group Private Limited, Booking.com, EcoStay LLP, Airbnb आणि Make My Trip या 5 जाणांनी register केलें. Agoda, Expedia, Trip.com, Is My Trip, Yatra.com, TripAdvisor, Travel Velocity, Orbitz, Clear Trip, Goa.app. हे जे OTAs असतात, तांणी अजून पर्यंत येवना for which notice has been sent to them. Secondly, roughly about in the north, we had roughly about 188 hotels in the north and जवळ 113 in the south, where in spite of asking to register, they didn't comply, for which we have asked for disconnection of electricity and water with the respective agencies. The biggest challenge today, as a cruise bab munta, is homestays. The biggest challenge is second homes, which are coming here and not available with anybody, but can be available only on OTA platforms. And हांवें आज very clearly Speaker direction दिल्लें आसा, वर्स जालें, तांकां time दिला. आतां it is ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान सुद्दां सांगूंक सोदता, whoever is involved in the business of illegalities either will be fined, the fine as per circular is close to 1 lakh rupees, and otherwise his electricity water disconnection will take place. ना जाल्यार ताणें ह्या प्लॅटफॉर्मार येवन अंडर ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस रजिस्टर करचें, जातूंतल्यान तांकांय लिगॅलिटी मेळटा, सरकाराकूय एनावर मेळटा. हे आमी 3,000 आमी फक्त रेजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जीस घेवन स्पीकर सर जवळ 82 lakhs आमी वाडयले ओनली ऑन रेजिस्ट्रेशन. GST वेगळी, सो रेव्हेन्यू लिकेज आशिल्ली, आमचे कडेन रिकॉर्ड नाशिल्लो, लॅप्सीस आशिल्ले ते मानता आनी ताजेर करेक्शनूय आमी ऑलरेडी सुरवात केल्ली आसा स्पीकर सर.